see who's calling on my belly belly?
Belly Scream! It's our friend Jose's shark car. He's stuck on the beach. And Jose is about to get on the ferry boat with his mom and dad. Let's help Shark Car get to the ferry before it leaves.
Team Umizoomi?
It's time for action!
Press the up and down arrow keys to move Shark Car up and down. Press the right arrow key to make Shark Car go faster. Press the space bar to jump over things in our way. Shark Car loves shells. Let's collect as many shells as we can. And remember to collect batteries to give Shark Car boosts of energy. Let's race to that ferry.
Team Zoomy, it's time for action. I see shells. Keep collecting shells. Watch out for the sandcastle. Great driving. Careful. Move around that ball. More shells. Look, a battery. Terrific. A battery. More shells. Great job. Watch out for the crabs. Another shell. Great job. Let's head for the boogie board for a super jump. Great driving. Woohoo!
Woohoo! More shells! Another battery for Shark Car.
Keep collecting shells. Another shell. Great job.
Woohoo! Another shell!
Keep collecting shells. All right, another battery. All right. Keep going.
You're doing great! Blinking boulders! That big rocky jetty is blocking our way!
Hey, there's a locked door leading to a tunnel. Let's unlock that door. I know. We have to find the other half of the shape and put it into place. When you see the missing half, click on it.
Shape-tacular!
You completed the beach ball. Look, the door is opening.
Here we go!
Team Zoomy, it's time for action. Watch out for rocks.
Press the space bar to jump over things in our way.
More shells. Great job. Terrific. A battery.
Woohoo! Let's drive around the wooden beams. Another battery for Shark Car. You're doing great. Careful, I see a pebble patch. Press the space bar to jump over things in our way.
All right, another battery.
Woohoo! More shells!
Great driving. Don't drive into seaweed. It's slippery. More shells. Great job. Another shell. Great job. Terrific. A battery. Keep collecting shells. Keep going.
another shell! Woohoo! More shells! Another battery for Shark Car! Woohoo! Another shell!
I see the way out! We made it to the dock, but look! The ferry boat is leaving!
I know. We need to give Shark Car the biggest boost possible. The numbers on these buttons are 80, 40, 50.
Use your mouse to click on the button with the largest number.
Great! You found the largest number, 80.
Hold on to your helmet.
Here we go! Umi friend, with your help, we made it onto the ferry.
Thanks for helping us get Shark Car back to Jose. Look how many shells we collected.
I feel a celebration coming on. To print out and create your own Shark Car, click the Print button.
Or to race Shark Car to the ferry again, click the Play Again button.
Print.